Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the muscle twitch and muscle tetanus. Dear students, a muscle twitch is a single contraction that is produced in response to a single action potential. There are three components of a single muscle twitch. Number one, the latent period or lag phase. Number two, the contraction phase. And number three, the relaxation phase. First, we shall discuss the latent period, which is a short delay from the time when an action potential arrives at the muscle until a tension is observed in the muscle. ये जो time है, this is the time which is required for the calcium ions to diffuse out of the sarcoplasmic reticulum and to bind these calcium ions to troponin and the moving of tropomyosin off the sites of actin and cross bridges formation. इसके बाद फिर कॉन्ट्रैक्शन शुरू होती है. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन फेज में मसल जो है ये बकायदा तौर पर टेंशन जनरेट करता है. दिस contraction phase is associated with the cycling of the cross bridges which result in the shortening of sarcomeres. Then comes the relaxation phase, in which the muscle returns to its normal length. Dear students, the length or time of a twitch varies in different types of muscle fibers. In some, it may be as short as only 10 microseconds, 10 milliseconds, or as long as 100 milliseconds in other cells. Dear students, now we shall discuss the muscle tetanus. Muscle tetanus is a sustained muscle contraction which is produced by stimulation from simultaneous and multiple impulses. During the tetanized state, the contracting tension in the muscle remains constant in a steady state. यानी कि एक मसल मुसलसल कॉन्टिन्यूसली कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग हालत में रहता है और रिलैक्स मुकम्मल तौर पर रिलैक्स नहीं होता. There are two types of muscle tension or tetanic contractions: unfused, that is incomplete tetanus, and fused, that is complete tetanus. An unfused tetanus occurs when the muscle is being stimulated at a relatively faster rate. So, the fibers do not completely relax between the two effect of two stimuli. एक स्टिमुलस आया, उसके नतीजे में मसल में कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हुई, उसके बाद उसने रिलैक्स करना शुरू किया, लेकिन इसी दौरान में दूसरा स्टिमुलस आ गया, लिहाजा रिलैक्स नहीं हुआ मुकम्मल तौर पे और फिर कॉन्टैक्ट हो गया और यूं ज्यादा हालत उसकी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में रहेगी. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड द अनफ्यूज्ड और इनकम्प्लीट टेटनस. When there is absolutely no relaxation between the stimuli and relaxation and contraction, then the twitches overlap and muscle remains in continuous contraction. This is called fused or complete tetanus. It happens when the stimulation is received at a very high frequency. In the fused tetanus state, the muscle contracts which is to the level which is its maximum possible contraction.